This video is all about making selected areas of pictures black and white. Firstly, we'll choose this image for instance. Now to make the picture black and white, go to Tools and select Black and White. Here, select Natural and then press the tick button. Now, touch the upper button and go to View Edits. Here, select Black and White and then choose the brush tool. Now, start painting over the flower. When you have painted the whole flower, press the tick button. This is how you can make the background of any picture black and white. Now the picture is ready to save. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. This is Kumar Amiye and you're watching Tech Pirate.